let me share the painting that we will be attempting today. Okay. This is the painting that we will try to create today. This is on the black sheet. You can attempt this on a white sheet as well. Okay, nice. Let's discuss the materials that we would need for this activity. We need one black pastel sheet, A3 or A4, any size will do. If you do not have a black pastel sheet, you can use a scrapbook, a page from your scrapbook, or you can also use a page from your sketchbook or a normal drawing sheet. That will also do. We need a palette for mixing colors. We would be using Fevicryl acrylic colors. Okay. We need masking tape so that you can tape your pastel sheets before starting the painting, so that it doesn't keep moving when you are putting and dabbing the paints. Okay, we would need some Q-tips or earbuds, some brushes, flat as well as rounds. Normal synthetic brush will do. Then we also need a white color pencil so that we can draw on this black sheet. Okay. So that's all the materials that we would require. So now that we have all our materials ready, let's compose our scene. I'm using a white color pencil to draw my flowers. And for the composition, I'm using a diagonal composition, meaning if I were to join my left bottom to my right top, that right triangle, that right portion will have the maximum elements of my painting, the maximum flowers of my painting. And when drawing the flowers, try not to place two flowers at the same height. One can go slightly higher or slightly lower than the other one. And do not place flowers one on top of another. My sketch is ready and I have taped my painting with a masking tape so that it doesn't keep moving when I color. For this painting, I am using red, orange and yellow color. I'm assuming that the light is coming from the top left, so my left side is lighter and right side slightly darker. I'm using earbuds to color this. And I will be dabbing with the earbud like that. Make sure that you get nice circle dots with these earbuds. If you feel that the black of your paper is showing after you have dabbed, you might want to go once again with your dabs. Okay. And once I have done with my yellow dabs, I will blend in some orange dabs with the earbud. How to show a blended look will be like you have to put some dots of the orange in your yellow and maybe some dots of your yellow in the orange. So that will kind of give a blended look. Then I'm adding my bright red orange on the extreme right. Since the light is coming from the top, my bottom of the flower will also have some darks like that. I am going to do all my flowers the same way. And if I feel that my dabs are kind of getting transparent, which means you have to keep taking more paints on your earbud. Keep different earbuds for different colors. Keep a separate earbud for orange, yellow and red. And in case if you feel that your dots are getting bigger and bigger, so maybe it is time for you to change your earbuds. Okay. And for that blended look, like I told you, Some of the orange dabs will be done on the yellow area, and few of the yellow dots will go into that orange, which will give you a blended look. And some of your orange should ideally also go to the reds that you have dabbed. So this way we will be completing all our flowers. Then we will add the leaves. For the leaves I'm using leaves and stems. I'm using green color. Since the color of the paper is black, I'm using a light green. I'll add in some yellow to my green to make it lighter in case if I'm using sap green. And then with a flat brush, I'm adding some leaves at the bottom, and I've also added some stems under the flowers. I can do two to three shades of the leaves and bushes, like adding more yellow to my green. So you could have three shades like light green, dark green, and yellow. Very tiny leaves also I'm going to add just below the flowers, below all the flowers, just under the flowers. That's it. You can do this with a different color combination like blue, light blue, and dark blue.